is open.
I have no idea.
Pag nahihin ko kayo sa taas. It's a mill. What's the color of the windmill?
Ay, ayos, ayos. Ang tagnan. Ikaw, love. Sakay mo dyan.
Yeah, that's all.
I see Jan.
Pwede ba sa isas dyan? Ayoko.
How much one ticket? The train was 9 something. One ticket?
Ito mga ganito.
I don't know how much this one. What's this? What's this?
No, put it in your mouth, okay?
What's this?
You should do it.
Mataas ko doon?
Ayoko yan, bago.
That's sarap.
Only that? That's the only one?
Yeah, that's it.
One more.
No, there's
I
one
see
more.
it.
There's one more.
Nilipal naman ako.
Coming.
Ayaw na yung matanda eh. Wish boy. Oh my goodness talaga.
Baby shark. Baby shark. Mommy shark. Mommy shark. Daddy shark. Where are you, Tati?
I'm here.
Where's your Daddy shark?
Where's Daddy Shark?
Marami pa ang pupunta dito.
Oh. Oo. It's going.
I think that's the one.
Marami pala silang spare na train eh. Galing din oh. Wala. Animal oh. Animal din. Wala. Mababaw lang pala yun, no? Tagaliig lang ng duck, eh. No? Tingnan mo, tagaliig lang ng duck. No? Balik tayo dyan.
That's the Silver Bridge.
Ah, Silver Bridge din. Nakidin lawak din oh.
Yeah. I don't know how to cross it. This one.
Parang lumaki na yung mga bahay nila. Nag-evolve na. Parang sana, Cotabato lang to eh. Cotabato lang to eh. Ano yung mga damo oh. May tree house pa oh. Yun lang, dinala ko yung jacket ko.
Ayoko.
Oh. Lo, sumay yung tingin niya sa awal. Oh, may city hall pa. Diyan si sana, barangay chairman. Oh, pala dito, tingnan. Baba tayo dyan.
Does it fit?
Andiyan na pala. Ano yan sa likod yan? Kung bababa kaya ako dito. Kung bababa kaya ako dito.
Hubo ka.
Ha?
Hubo ka.
Hubo camp po. Sana ang tao dyan lahat nakahubo. Hubo camp. Bawal ang may damit. Must be hubo. Dadaan nyo tayo sa...
That's the Golden Gate. See? Oh, wow. The Golden Gate.
Bakit tubo nandyan? Ah, hindi pa. Under construction pa. Dumaan, dadaan nga tayo no. Tingnan mo. Dumaan tayo, di ba? Dito tayo kanina dyan, no?
This is the main bridge.
Oh, dito na sila, oh. Mga pamilya, oh. Huwag kayong tatalon dyan, mga anak, ha? At baka ako'y ma-missing. Shit. Oh, nangawin si Uncle. May turtle. Oh. Kitty Castle. Kitty Castle daw na. Parang Cotabato, Jameson lang to eh. Ah, rubber tree lang ito eh. No? Mga rubber tree.
Is it?
Mga rubber tree. Hindi na. Ba't mabantot ako?
Hindi yung ano, yung mga maliliit na insect.
Ah, ayan ah. Small insect. Yung small insect, di ba? Pag malaki na, Chinese na.
Yay! Good job!
Look, tunay ba yan?
Yeah.
Tunay no. Lama.
We can go there. I don't know how you get there.
Duman mo tayo sa bridge na yan.
No.
Tapos na.
Tapos na. Not yet.
Tapos ba?
Some places pa? Yeah, I think it's going down.
Really?
Oh, really? Nantok na?
Ah, iba nga. Ibang daanan no. Ibang daanan no. Are you cold? Hindi, stay. Sit. Sit lang. Sit. Sit ka lang. Wow. Also. Concern lang yan si Grandma sa'yo. Iulog ito yung Grandma niya. Iulog. Mga kulit, ayaw mo pa
I
hawak.
think there's no way going there. You should really need to ride actually. No way.
Saan?
No way going over there. Baby shark. Baby shark.
Ah.
Baby shark.
So, kailangan mong bumaba.
Baby shark.
So, pwede bababa tayo dito, stop over?
I think so. I saw them stop over there. Chicken! Yeah, see? They will stop and they will feed them.
Animals. Kaso may bayad, 25 cents ang animal.
Is there?
Stop over.
No, if you wanna get off, I think. Yeah, go. Right? Ew.
Ayaw mo? Choosy mo naman.
Dito nga.
Yee. Ako na, wala tayong whips.
Right there in the one-room yellow schoolhouse next door. Most schools in small towns that year.
She wants to try it. Do you still have 25 cents? Over here, the other one. What is that?
Monica's Monica can't come.
Bukantot kasi. Wala tayong whips ha. Okay. Okay lang.
You left one. Last one.
I had coins, but I used them earlier. I think these ones are 25 cents.
Chicken.
Look, you put a quarter in there and get some food out, and you can feed them.
Four steel-tired wheels is actually a water transporting tank.
That's a goat.
Push this wooden tank as fast as one man could.
Boss Rickmar. May manok dire, Boss Rickmar. Kaso naka gate man na Rickmar. Hayag pa niya pang gabi kita mga manok ani. Oh, target lock na yung manok oh. Impas juga karon. Dul gamay. Duy gamay. Ay. Wala, indagan Boss Rickmar, dagang tao mo Rickmar. Hindi ta makakuha diri.
I'm not scared. Baby, you want to go down? Wow. Everybody come with the locomotive.
You want to go wash off your hands? You want more?
More.
ikaw na.
Dito, naka-video ako. Yun na.
Ayoko.
Ay, pa si Ice. Matapang nga ba ito?
Here, baby. Malaki to ah. Open your hand. Give it to her. Give it to them. Open. I got more quarters. Nandiyan lagi to ah. Four. Okay. Ready? Okay, do it yourself.
Tuwang-tuwa din siya eh.
Para mong kainin pati kamay niya.
Hindi naman siya.
You want more?
Mani.
Wala na?
Wala na. Tama na eh.
Tama na na.
Meron pa atang coins.
30 na. Oh, last one.
Tama na yung coins.
Tama na anak, last one na 30 na.
Oh.
Okay.
Ice.
Ito pa lang anak, kay Solana yun. Ikaw naman. Sige mo.
Yung hamster?
Oh, ayan o.
Yan na. Tuwang-tuwa yung gamay oh.
Hindi na kamay mo na. Wala tayong wipes.
Tara. Bakit tayo? Come on, baby. Come on. Hi. Come on, darling. Come on. Come on na, tara. Tara. Let's go. Come on.
Gusto niyo talaga si Mami.
I'll clean.
Good
No,
job.
don't put in your mouth, okay? We saw it put in your hands. No. Tati, put in your mouth, Tati. Mas tuwa ba yung manok mo kaysa sa'yo?
Daddy.
Tati.
I'm not plama lang. Eh, hindi pala.
Gusto niya yung yung Tati. Put in your mouth, Tati. It's cold, your hand's cold.
Cold.
Sit down, Tati.
Wala ba na iwan? Hindi lang.
Eat, Tati. Eat the food, Tati.
No.
Eat the food, Tati. Eat the food.
No.
Eat the food, Tati.
Yucky. Your hands. Nandito? Nag-snow? Ano? Wala ba snow ah? Yay! Oh God! Di ba sulit din? Yun ang importante, yun. Say hi. Bye, ice, ice. Bye, ice, ice. Ice, ice. Ice. Bye. Bye. Say bye. Bye.
Okay, let's go this way. Ay, kumili ka sa bibig mo na ko.
Ganun pa rin, no? Ano yan? Train? May isa lang, Sambonga Ferry, Sambonga Ferry. Sipa. Ano yan?
Go see about the roller coaster or the Ferris wheel.
Zamboanga Ferry, baby. Ang hit. Pumasok ko dun ba? Amoy Zamboanga Ferry.
Maybe you need to sit down first, huh? Sit down here. Yeah. Sit down on the horse. Hawakan mo yung anak mo, ah.
Ba na start?
How many? 2.
Pisop sa.
Kulang pa na ng isa dito.
Isang coin lang yan dyan. Malalagyan. Yeah, yeah. Bilisan mo na, lagyan natin ng isang coin dito at baka may makapasok. Kung huwakan mo yung anak baka maligas.
Okay, anak. Sino hawak na sa mag-isa?
Ah. Pero una, kuha ko sa video yun, kung anon siya.
I know, kaya nawakan na baka mapunta siya eh.
Gulat siya eh. Ay, nakagalaw pala itong kabayang to ah. Hindi piki, hindi piki.
Ganda na hawak niyo.
Grip, grip talaga.
Good job! You want more? You want that train? Inulat mo na naman.
Hindi ko tuloy nakuha ng video. Nang parang matunog oh.
You still have corner? Gusto niya ako dito. Buti na lang meron ka kami. Hindi, wala na kasi hindi na kami nagpapasin.
Amazing. Boring.
This one is funny, right? You want to ride this one again?
Boring. Naantok na siya.
Wala na eh. I only have this.
Wala na.
What's that? Pencil. Oh.
Quarter na lang. Wala na. Pinakain na natin sa mga animal eh. Malungkot na siya. Parang na akong dinadoya nito, mami. Say hi. Hi.
Gusto niya yun.
Love you.
Wala pa kayong isa dyan? Dito. Coin.
Flying kiss, flying kiss. Flying kiss. I love you. I love you.
Bye, Bubble Peppa.
Ay, bibigyan pa na agad.
Very cool, huh?
Hindi kasi ako makapasok dito kanina kasi may tao. Di ba? Bibi ha, nasunod tayo.
Oh, this used to be a functioning one. Hindi na.
Baka dito lang, tita. Ay, ang laki naman ito. Uy, sana kay... Aba na ba kayo? Ay, hindi. Ala pala, dead end pala dyan. May space dyan? Wala. Kala, dead end na. Careful. So big. So strong.
Gaga, gaga, gaga.
Hi, Sel.